Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the lens formula and its examples. Okay, first of all, before starting the lens formula, we will see the sign convention for the lens. Okay, it is very much similar to the sign convention of the mirrors. The height of the object above the principal axis is taken as positive and height downwards is taken as negative. Distance of the incident ray, okay, are taken as the positives, and distances opposite to the direction of incident ray are taken as negatives. Okay, so this is the sign convention. Convex lens and concave lens, the two lenses are there. Okay, for convex lens the u will be negative and concave lens also u negative. Concave lens doesn't form real image. Distance of real image for v is equal to positive. Distance of virtual image v is equal to negative. These are some points you have to keep in mind while making the ray diagrams of the convex lens and concave lens. Okay, focal length of the convex lens is positive and for concave lens is negative. Height of object positive and height of object positive for both the convex and concave lens. Okay, height of the inverted image negative and real image is not formed in case of concave lens. Okay, for virtual it forms only virtual and erect images, concave lens. Okay, so what is the lens formula? Lens formula is denoted by 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Okay, what is v? It is the image distance, u is the object distance, position of the object, and small f is the focal length. Okay, here what is the change in the mirror formula? Here negative signs comes in place of positive signs as compared to the mirror formula. Okay, this relation is called lens formula and it remains same in all types of physical situation for spherical lenses. Okay, and for all type of images, real or virtual. The magnification formula is same, h dash upon h, that is size of the image upon size of object or height of image upon height of object, is denoted by small m. Okay, and here for in the case of m, when calculated with the distance of image and distance of object, it is taken as v by u. Okay, in case of mirror we will take as minus v by u, but here it is v upon u. Magnification when 1, size of image is equal to size of object. Magnification when greater than 1, size of image is greater than size of object, and magnification when less than 1, size of image is less than size of the object. Here the sign of magnification tells us about the nature of the image. M is positive, the image is virtual and erect. M is negative, the image formed is real and inverted. Okay, so real and inverted are formed by the convex lenses, so M is negative for the convex lenses. Okay, for concave lens always M is positive. Okay, power of lens. Our next topic is the power of lens. It is the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays as they pass through the lens is expressed in terms of its power and depends on the nature and focal length of the lens. Okay, what is the power of lens? It is the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays. Okay, in which amount, the amount of the convergence or divergence of the light rays decides the power of the lens. Okay, and it depends on the nature and focal length of the lens. Okay, the smaller the focal length, greater is the bending. Image is formed near the optical center and lens is said to be more powerful. Okay, for convex lens. In concave lens, when divergence of light rays is more, focal length will be small. Okay, lens is more powerful. So power of the lens is depends on the focal length of the lens. Okay, for the diverging lens the focal length will be small, and for the converging lens the focal length will be large. Okay, power is equal to 1 upon f is the formula, 1 upon focal length of lens in meters. Okay, what is the SI unit of power? The SI unit of power is diopter. It is denoted by capital D, and 1 diopter is the power of the lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Okay, if the focal length of the lens is 1 meter, then its power is known as the 1 meter, 1 diopter. Okay, so what is the power of plane glass? Plane glass, the power is 1 upon f, and because the it has the focal length of infinity. Okay, so the power will be 0. प्लेन ग्लास की जो फोकल लेंथ है वो इनफाइनाइट होती है, दैट इज़ 1 upon infinite is the power of the plane glass and equal to 0 focal length of the plane glass. Okay, power of the convex lens is considered to be positive, whereas the power of concave lens is considered as negative. Okay, so you can see, if an objective question comes, like you are given with the different powers of values of the +2 diopter, 4 diopter, -2 diopter, -4 diopter, then you can easily check what is which type of lens is this we are using for calculating the power of a convex lens. Okay, so the focal length is positive for convex lens, whereas the power of concave lens is considered to be negative because small f is negative. Okay, now come to the solved numericals. Okay, if an object of 5 cm height is placed at a distance 15 cm for convex lens of focal length 10 cm, find position, nature and height. Okay, as we know, focal length we have to take positive, height is given +5 cm, and u is given as the -15 cm because object on the left side of the lens. Okay, so we have to take the focal length positive and h is equal to also positive. We will calculate the v comes to out to be 30 cm. Okay, by using the lens formula, 30 cm shows that light forms on the right side. Okay, and find the height of the image, it is -2. If -2 is the magnification, the image will be 2 times larger than the object, and negative sign indicates that it is inverted. So it is a real and inverted image, magnified image is formed. Okay, and height of the image will be calculated by s dash upon h. Okay, object of 4 cm is placed at a distance 15 cm of concave lens. Okay, concave lens power is given -10 diopter. Okay, so by using 1 upon f, power is equal to 1 upon f, we will calculate the focal length, and by using the lens formula, we will put the value of focal length and calculate the value of v, that is -6 cm. It is -6 cm in front of the lens, that is negative sign indicates it is formed at the left side of the lens. Okay, so m is equal to v upon u, m is 0.4 and s dash upon h. So it is less than the size of the object. Okay, image will be shorter and it is erect and virtual. ठीक है, इस तरीके से आपको न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करना है. सेम फॉर्मूला है पावर का 1 upon f, और लेंस फार्मूला का यूज़ करते हुए आपको न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है, these are the examples you have to write in your notebooks and understand them. If any problem occurs, we will discuss in the live class. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.